In this HostBeast review, I'm going to be showing you how you can host unlimited websites and domains on superfast SSD servers for a low one-time price. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals and upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out HostBeast, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says Fire, HostGator, GoDaddy, Bluehost, and all those web hosting companies that are charging you ridiculous expensive monthly fees today. Host unlimited websites and domains on superfast SSD servers for a low one-time price, no monthly fees, one-time pay, one-click 100+ script installer, ultra-fast website speed. So essentially, this is a way for people that are on a budget to host websites. If you're someone that doesn't have the money to pay for these monthly things like HostGator and Bluehost, then there is an alternative for you. You can get one-time hosting. It says log in and enter your domain details, set up and host your websites, and then voila, the magic is done. Now you can compare this to other companies out there that charge upwards of $3,000 per year. And of course, with this, you get this for a very cheap price. And of course, I'm going to talk about the positives and the negatives about that in a little bit. Now, they say that here's the results that they're getting with their business. This has really nothing to do with like your websites, but maybe they're trying to say like we're hosting our websites on our servers and stuff. So I guess that's fine, but just don't think that you're magically going to start making money by using this. It could help you to save money, but you're not going to be magically making extra money just by doing this. Now, these testimonials here, actually, I know who Craig is. So as far as like these being real people, I know this guy's real. Now, these people, I don't know who they are, but this one looks like a real testimonial from someone. But the other ones, I really can't validate them because it doesn't have a last name there for them. So you can host multiple websites, fast, reliable server, SSL encryption, unlimited bandwidth, personalized email accounts, one-click WordPress installation, all kinds of other scripts you can use with it. Upload and manage all your domain, site files, and DNS records, 100% cloud-based and around-the-clock support. Okay. So, yeah, so it has all these different things here, and if you can compare them again with these different platforms. Now, if you decide to purchase, it's a low one-time price. One thing I will tell you to do is move your mouse away. If you do that, you'll get a discount. I make less as an affiliate by showing you that, so please hit that like button. It really helps me out. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back and show you the backend area, the OTOs, and the discounts.
If you are watching this video, then there are two possibilities. Number 1, you already have an online business. Number 2, you are willing to start an online business. In either of the cases, you would need to have an online presence by setting up a blog, a website, or an e-com store. Big companies like HostGator, Bluehost, and GoDaddy taken advantage of this and charge you a high monthly fees offering limited hosting solutions with tons of restrictions. What if I tell you that there is a reliable alternate web hosting solution for just a low one-time payment? We both know there are virtually hundreds of hosting companies out there, and you're probably already paying a monthly or yearly subscription with one of them. But why should you listen to this video? See, the problem is most shared hosting services charge $10 to $30 a month for weak, unstable, and unreliable service. That makes $360 a year and $3,600 for 10 years. And you need to pay them every single month or year, no matter how few of their resources you use. Even worse, when you start receiving high traffic, your site speed slows down, or the server crashes, resulting in poor visitor experience and lost profits. Would you prefer to lose your precious customers because your site loads 1 or 2 seconds too late? And because these giants have a very big customer base that they are unable to handle, they usually outsource their support desk to third-party call centers that are usually incompetent in solving your issues or don't care. Well, we have been there and faced similar issues and even lost thousands of dollars. Issues like these slowly eat up your profits and destroy your business in the long run, and by the time you realize it is too late. Keeping this in mind, we set out to create a powerful hosting solution that first of all cuts down the cost of website hosting for online entrepreneurs across the globe. And you can save up to $3,600 per year. Second, eliminate all restrictions and limitations for entrepreneurs to enjoy a seamless user experience without compromising security and speed. Third, uses a powerful and easy-to-use control panel to simplify the entire process of website management to complete newbies. Well, after months of hard work and research, we are ready with our powerful, one-of-its-kind hosting platform. Introducing HostBeast. HostBeast, as the name itself suggests, it's the premium hosting solution to host your websites and domains on blazing fast servers at one-time fee and zero restrictions. Inside, you can host up to 5 websites and domains on cloud hosting servers for life at a low one-time price. Unlimited free end-to-end SSL encryption to protect your data and your website. Unlimited bandwidth so websites can host high traffic without compromising site performance. Blazing fast servers to load pages at bullet speed for higher conversion. Rate your own personalized email account to create and manage emails. One-click WordPress installation with powerful and easier control panel. Alternative panel. 100% cloud-based and reliable server to optimize your site performance and functionality. 80+ one-click script installer for all your needs. Unlimited database to manage and create MySQL database. Free SSL certificates for all your sites. Edit or add DNS records of your account. Upload and manage all your site files and domains from anywhere in the world, round-the-clock expert support and step-by-step tutorials, and so much more at a ridiculously low one-time fee. Finally, say goodbye to paying ridiculous monthly fees to limited cloud hosting solutions in exchange for subpar services and questionable security. Slow-loading websites that are killing your conversion. Excessive downside that's costing you sales and profits. Living in the constant fear of losing your precious data to bully hackers and malware attackers. Waiting for days or even weeks for the support you deserve. Getting frustrated managing things on your own without any tech skills. HostBeast makes all of this a thing of the past. Now you can upload and host unlimited websites and domains within minutes. You can install WordPress and create your own personalized email accounts in just a single click. Our incredible platform is so user-friendly and even a 12-year-old can manage the websites. Get ready to save more, to make more, and live the life of your dreams. Plus, you're protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. After your purchase, if you feel this is not the right fit for you, then just drop us an email and we'll give you your money back. But if you want to take advantage of this incredible platform, you need to act right now. As awesome as this offer is, unfortunately, we can't afford to run it at this low one-time price for long. Therefore, once the timer on this page hits 0, HostBeast will soon be sold for a monthly or yearly subscription. So stop thinking and hit that buy button now. Waiting can cost you much more than just your precious time. Cancel those pesky monthly subscriptions that keep adding up and get a secure, ultra-fast unlimited hosting solution that doesn't burn a hole in your pocket. Get access now and we'll see you inside the members area.
Okay, so this is the backend area that you'll have access to after you purchase, where you can access all your different websites in here. Now, there are multiple upgrades. So the first one is the Max version. This gives you unlimited access, unlimited SSD space, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited MySQL database, all these unlimited things with commercial license here. So you can actually make money with this and sell this as a service. And you can get this at a one-time price. Now, if you move your mouse away, you can get a $20 discount. So please do that. And please hit that like button because I make less as an affiliate by showing you that. Next one is reseller rights. You can resell and keep 100% of the profits. Move your mouse away. You can bring the price down to $97 by $20 here. So you can get a discount there. And the last one is going to be here. Looks like reseller. You can start actually selling it like the dashboards and stuff with this. You can create 100 to up to unlimited accounts for your users from your own dashboard. So this one's normally $197, but if you move your mouse away, you can get it says 197, but you can bring it down to 87. It looks like you get quite a big of a discount here. So take them up on that. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about HostBeast and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, whenever you have a hosting that's a one-time price, make sure you back up your websites, because these people don't have any incentive to keep on keep their hosting running in the future. You never know when one day you might go and log in and your sites might be gone. What do I like about this? That all being said, if you're someone that's on a budget, if you're someone that doesn't want to spend money and you're willing to keep a backup of your websites somewhere else, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my HostBeast review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.